Hey guys, this is how to, and this video is about how to create your own YouTube channel. To make a YouTube channel, you need a Google account, but if you already have a Google account, then let's get started. First, open your browser and then open YouTube. Click on the sign in button at the right side corner. Sign into your Google account and press next. Click on the account logo and click on create a channel. Click on get started. Click on use a custom name. Add a channel name here and press create. Now you need to verify your account. For that you need to enter your 10-digit mobile number. After entering your 10-digit mobile number, press continue. Then Google will send you a verification code. Enter the verification code in the box and press continue. And this will be your new YouTube channel. Here you can upload the profile picture of the channel. Here write the description of the channel. Here you can give the URL of your website and also the URL of your social profiles. I will do it later, but you can click on save and continue. And this will be your YouTube channel. And from here you can upload your first videos. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.